To put YouTube search bar on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra so you can have the fastest way to search YouTube, first you have to add YouTube search widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. Tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to the bottom. Tap YouTube. Now tap and hold the YouTube search widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. With this widget, you will have the fastest way to search the video you want to watch on YouTube from your home screen. Simply tap the widget and you will be directed to the YouTube search bar where you are ready to type any video you want to search on YouTube. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.